What's up, guys? Here with the Blindmaro again, of course. Today's going to be a little bit of a channel update. Fall is here, and which is a double-edged sword. It's nice that it cools off and you can stand to be outside again, but at the same time, the end of the hot rodding season is approaching. This week it's supposed to dip down in the high 30s, so as soon as it freezes, everybody freaks out. They forget how to drive. They sling salt all over the roads, and this goes away for the winter. Or you're some people and you post on the second gen Camaro page, how do these cars handle in the winter? Well, obviously they're gonna handle like shit in the winter. And the other thing is, it's so hard to find a really nice, clean car. This by no means is a really nice, clean car. It's a decent car at best. And these idiots are going out and driving these cars in the winter, which I shared my opinion on that in the comment section. I wasn't really happy about it. Like, how damn dumb can you be? You're literally destroying your car. In other updates, I bought another GoPro, Hero 7 Black, so we'll be able to do 2 angles. We're gonna go for a short little cruise. I dropped the ball and didn't buy another suction cup mount, so this will still only be 1 angle, but in the future there'll be 2 angles. And then when the GoPro Hero 8 comes out and all the accessories and everything, aftermarket support comes out with it, I'll be getting one of those. So instead of recording everything in 2.7K, we'll record in 4K, so hopefully the videos will look a little bit better for you guys. And yeah, so we'll talk about the future of the channel and go for a short little ride. I think I'm gonna put the camera facing forward out the car instead of looking at my ugly mug. And yeah, let you guys check it out. All right, change plans. Neighbor's going for a rip. These things gotta get good and hot too before the piston stops laughing. Remember when this road wasn't busy?
Yeah, well, everybody figured out you could get a shortcut to 20 or
thanks for being brave, because everybody else doesn't want to be brave. Hi guys, a little change of plans there. Seen my neighbor come home and I was like, hey, want to go for a ride in the Blindmaro? He said, sure, let's go. So there you go, another little ride along. Kind of impromptu, wasn't planned at all, but everything worked out. Anyway though, for the future of the channel, hopefully we can do all the main vlogging stuff in 4K soon. And then everybody, if you don't know, you're gonna know. If you do know, it sounds like a broken record, but this winter, the 9-inch, which is sitting there, gotta wait to get the rest of the stuff from Strange. Caltrax, still gotta order them. I got a full-time job now. I'm no longer a temp. I worked full-time as a temp, but I'm hired into the company now, so full-time job. I was like over $5 an hour raise, and the main thing was security. You know, I don't have to worry about any day getting kicked out the door. So this winter, it's go time. T56 Magnum, 6-speed. So pretty excited about that. And then we're gonna clean up the floor of the car on the inside, and I'm gonna put the boom mat down, insulation, carpet, try to keep the heat out of there, because it gets so hot in there and you just can't stand it. And with the humidity, it's awful. Like, there's parts of the year I didn't even want to drive the car because it was so damn hot. And you just burn up in there. It's like 120 degrees. Last night I drove the car, it was 45 degrees. It was 44 actually, but I didn't have the windows down, but the little things they can open up down by your feet, because it's a non-AC car, to let cold air in, had those open because it was getting so hot in the car that I was starting to sweat. So there's an idea for you on how much heat transfers from the motor and the headers and all the good stuff into the cabin of the car. And then I'm looking to buy a truck. Haven't found the right one yet. I did find the right one, and they sold it out from underneath me. That was real nice of them. So hopefully soon we can do a little bit of truck content, but it ain't gonna be your average truck content. I'm not gonna put a giant set of wheels on it that don't fit inside the wheel well, because that looks stupid, and it is stupid. And all it does is destroy suspension and ruins paint, because it throws all the rocks right onto the side of the truck. And yeah, whoever thought that was a good look, you're an idiot. So I guess if you like that, to each your own. I think it looks gaudy, like a Hot Wheel car, and I'm not about that. I like timeless, classic taste, not gaudy, modern trends. So yeah, a little bit of truck content. This winter, when I have the whole 3 GoPro set up, we'll have 2 different time lapses, and then with the third one we'll be looking, you know, giving updates. So there's going to be build videos this winter. Pretty excited about that. I don't know if I'm going to have to cut the floor of the car now. Where the shifter is already buggered up from the previous owner cutting it up. So I'm kind of down to put the Holly T56 hump in. And neighbor Chuck, who went for the ride with me, he already said that he's down to cut and weld for me. He's done fabrication on the car before. He's a friend of the Adam Hack YouTube channel, so Chuck's a good dude. As far as that, that's pretty much where everything's going. We're gonna be doing build videos, and that's, you know, maybe some truck content. And yeah, I'd like to buy me a Chevy truck, but it seems like no one ever takes good care of their Chevys, so I'm almost half tempted to go buy a damn Toyota, as much as I hate to say it. So anyway though, thanks for subscribing. 108 subscribers now, so 108 people that take time to subscribe. Thank you, I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and hope you guys have another killer week. Thanks for watching. One last update. Wanted to give a big congratulations to my buddy Garrett. You won 11:46 at 118 mile an hour this week, setting a new personal best, and finally breaking the old you gotta have a roll bar rule. So yeah, me and him, we're not rich people. We're not the rich YouTubers that just go out and blow all kinds of money and have no budget. We work regular jobs, we're regular people, and we're doing our best to do what we love. So again, if you'd like to subscribe and help support the dream, we would appreciate that. So yeah, big congratulations to Garrett. That motor is super basic setup, nothing fancy, nothing exotic about it, just optimized. And yeah, so hopefully we can get both of these cars to go a whole lot faster. But I just wanted to give a shout out to Garrett and a congratulations on setting a new personal best with the old Pontiac junk, as he would say.